50cc category class.
Okay, green flag is up.
3 laps po sila. Green flag is up.
Ay, dalak.
Ay, nako. Is that Kaloy Biboso?
Okay, malayo. Gago. Shot. Okay. With Tumangan.
Naku, naipit pa si Kaloy.
Okay, abangan natin ang mga 50cc final hit.
Number 12 natin.
Okay, AJ malayo.
Malayo.
Okay, third.
Followed by Tumangan.
Toroy and hit. Moises. Okay. So, that is our top 5. Pag walang pinag-ibagay, si JC nasa pang-amin.
Galit na galit. Naipit si Kaloy sa gate. So, hindi siya nakalabas agad. So, right now, he's on the run.
We will wait for the 3 laps.
Let's see kung ilan yung makakain niya rito.
3 laps lang. Yes, 3 lang.
Naku, 3 laps lang pala to.
Okay,
Leading natin.
I think he is now our overall champion, ito si AJ. No?
Number 12 leading. Number 14, that's Tumangan. Second. Nakabawi si Kaloy. I think Kaloy is on the 4th position na.
Okay, Tumangan on second. So, Tumangan first.
Ito yung leader natin, number 4.
Tumangan, Toroy, Ayala. Okay, Kaloy Biboso.
Eto na.
The Proud Pasinhon. Fourth.
Number 12, ito po yung nangunguna. Oh, no. This is Kaloy Biboso.
Proud Pasinhon. Kasi na-trap kanina, parang si Kaloy yung na-trap. Oh, nag-double effort lang. Okay.
Na-trap si Kaloy, but he's trying to regain a better position. Pero again, 3 laps na po ito. It will be hard for him. Nauna na po. Ang leading po natin is number 12. This is Kaloy Biboso fighting for his position on that roller section. Riding strong. Tingnan natin, makakabawi pa. So that's number 12. Nakakaiba po yung pinapakita. Eto na, Kaloy Biboso. Oy! Oy! Hanip! From pinakahuli, Kaloy Biboso now is getting a better position.
Kaloy na. Nakuha na ng Kaloy. So, Kaloy now taking the second position.
Alright, second position na si Kaloy.
Okay, Tumangan. Sorry, but Tumangan pa rin.
Tumangan pa rin yung leader natin.
Okay, second na si second round for Malayo, AJ.
Checkered flag.
Second, the Proud Pasinhon. Okay, Kaloy Biboso.
That's Tumangan.
Tumangan third.
Followed by number 14. Hold on.
Okay, and fourth is Ace Turoy. Bilyote and fifth.
Fifth, Bilyote.